Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a paper pumpkin. This is August 2018 paper pumpkin called Blissful Blooms. If you're not familiar with paper pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription. I will include a link down below and it'll give you all the information, as well as if you're interested in signing up, it will lead you to the correct spot. Now, if you place an order with me, or if you're a paper pumpkin customer, you do receive a holiday catalog. As long as your order is $50 or more within the last 6 months before shipping and tax, you will receive a catalog. If you are one of those people that's going to be getting a catalog, I'm hoping to get them shipped out next week. I'm actually including some free little goodies in the catalog, and I'm waiting for that order to come in. So if you're interested in a catalog, make sure you get your orders in so I can get them out to you as soon as possible. If you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator, so all the information is below. If you do place an order, please use the new hostess code that is below, and that could get you a catalog as well as a free gift if your order is over $50. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm really looking forward to next month, because next month is going to be a Halloween theme, and I love Halloween. I think it's so much fun decorating and all the cards and stamps out there that you can get. So next month, it appears that the paper pumpkin will be something spooky. So you have until September 10th to sign up for Paper Pumpkin if you're interested in getting this kit. Each kit is a surprise, so you don't know what's coming until you have it. There are a ton of alternate projects out there, so if you don't like a kit, you can always look online for alternative projects. So you have until, like I said, September 10th to sign up to get the spooky pumpkin, paper pumpkin. So in this kit, you get a Stampin' spot, which is Blackberry Bliss. I actually don't have this color, so I'll be using this size and not bringing in my regular size ink pad. Then you get a stamp set, and this is, so you have some floral images, buildable floral images. You have thinking of you, thank you, congratulations, you make me so happy. The loss is immeasurable, but so is love left behind. That's a sweet sentiment if you need to make sympathy cards. So you get the stamp set, and then it comes wrapped in tissue paper as always, and then you get this, and it's wrapped up tightly with all your supplies. So like usual, if you are not new here, I'm going to open everything up, lay everything out, then we're going to go through each of the contents. But it looks like you can make 10 cards with this, and here are the designs. Just beautiful, and it comes with some envelopes. So let me go and open this up and we'll get started. Okay, so as always, you do get this colored sheet, a little brochure on the front so you can see what the projects look like. You have step-by-step directions, instructions, and it's weird. They didn't, normally the little sheets come with a ruler on the bottom. They didn't include a ruler this time, so that's weird. Anyway, so you get this. These cards take 4 steps, and then on the back you have a list of your what's included in the kit. And also down here you have your coordinating colors. So Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, and Old Olive is what all is in here. So I'm going to go ahead and read off this and let you know what's in the kit. So we have the Blissful Blooms Photopolymer Stamp Set, Blackberry Bliss, all these bees, Stampin' spot. You get 10 card bases. You get 5 of each. So 5 of this one with this really pretty pattern. Then you get 5 of this one. It's really pretty. Then you get 10 envelopes, and I'm pretty sure, I would have to double check, I'm pretty sure these envelopes or something similar minus the splatter is in the new holiday catalog. Do I dare say that before the holiday catalog goes out? But yes, I'm pretty sure these will be in the new catalog, if I'm not mistaken. 3 laser cut vellum sheets. So here are your vellum sheets. You get 2 of the green, and they have these leaves and they punch out. And then you get a white. It's really thick. It feels like it's 2 together, but there's 3 of those. Then you get 1 sheet of silver foil tags, which are right here for your sentiments. 4 yards of baker's twine, really pretty flirty flamingo, and then it has like some silver. 75 dimensionals and 75 adhesive dots. So that is it for the contents. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to put each one of these together. Okay, first I'm just going to go ahead and stamp my sentiments since I have them out. We're going to do Thinking of You for the strip. Let's see if I can get this. I have to go off camera so I can get this straight. Just Thinking of You, and then You Make Me So Happy is the one I'm going to use for this one. Okay, so I have my 2 sentiments stamped. Next, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to add some of these Stampin', or these dimensionals. I mean, what are these called? Just glue dots, adhesive dots. And then we're going to add some of the greenery, the vellum sheets. And I mean, do these however you want. You can follow the directions, but honestly, it's easier just to kind of place them where you would like. Then I'm going to take some twine and just kind of, let's do this. And again, I'm going to add some more of these glue dots and place it there, and then I always have trouble doing twine like this. So again, the instructions on the sheet are suggestions. You can do it however you like. And like I said, if you look online, you can find alternative projects. I'm going to add Stampin' Dimensionals to, probably too many of them, but that is okay, to the panel. We'll do this one. So there's the first card. Really pretty. I like the print. So let's take the second card. And again, they had done the twine. We're going to do the floral pieces, the vellum pieces first, and then put the twine on top of that. Just going to adjust these a little bit because they're too wide for the card. If you want it to fit in an envelope or anything, that's better. Now I'm going to add some more of these glue dots so I can wrap my twine. Okay, and then I'll shape that once I get it on the card base. And then I'm just going to tuck in some dimensionals in between here. And then once I have that down, I'm going to go ahead and kind of shape my twine the way that one's good. Fix this one a little bit. So you have that. And so here are the 2 cards, and of course you could create other things, other alternative projects. bring in your own sentiments, mix them in, but really pretty floral. I love all the colors. So, like I said, if you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, all links will be below. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Stay tuned. I will have another project with a stamp set featuring 3 cards, 1 stamp set that will be coming. And thanks for everyone that responded and gave me feedback on my last video. It seemed like the 3 cards, 1 stamp set is the way to go. So I'm definitely going to do that. It definitely makes it easier on me making the 1 video instead of 3. So I hope you guys continue to enjoy that. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.